Hey again. What I want to do in this video, I want when someone click on the button, I just give a message he select this button just a startup before initialize my game and everything. So now I have 9 button. I don't think you all do 9 events. So like this one you give it specific event when someone just go back, not this one, just go to the view, then you go to the only click, you give it name, then second one name, everyone different name. No, I will give all these button with same, they call all these button, they call one event. So I name it bu click. Okay, let me make sure bu click and make sure apply it to all the buttons. So all the button I want them to call this event. Then and from the code I could like say, hey, this call is coming from this one, this call is coming from this one, just for me for debugging purpose. So here is it. So now all the button they call same method. So whenever any button you click from the screen, he will go and call this method. For now I don't have any implementation for this method, so let me go to the Java code and try to implement the code for that method. You know, to implement it, you say protect, then you say fun, then the name of the method will get a view. It is part from the view. Now I'm interested to understand what view mean. Okay, if view mean the button, so see he give you error because I didn't import. If I just click W, click the control space, click enter, so he will import Android view. So for now, hey, I want to use a view. What the view mean? If view mean the button, so when he sent this button as an object, this button will consider it as a view. So now, if I just say, hey, I want to get this button, so how I get it? Okay, val bu selected. Okay, equal a view. Because I need to cast it, I say as what? As button. Why as button? Because I need to cast this button, or I need to convert from view to button, because now the data type view, I want to change it to button to add it here. So I have to make sure this one is button. You could write here as button to make sure you don't have error. See, I don't have error, so I no longer need this one. So bu selected. So if you select this button, I will have all the information for this button. One of the important information is the ID. By this one, you have all the information like text. One of the important information is the ID. So what interesting thing that unique for every button have specific ID. So I could recognize the button according to the ID. So going here, I say, hey, you have the button. So let me do a switch. Before of that, let me define cell ID. I mean the ID of the cell that he selected, and its initial value I give it 0. Then give when, do when statement. So when bu selected dot get ID. Why or not get ID dot ID? Why ID? This command will bring me the ID of selected button. So if you select 1, he will give me 1. If you select 2, he will give me 2. If you select 3, he will give me 3. So I say, hey, if the r.id dot bu1, if you select bu1, set this one for me, which is cell ID, set it to 1. That means he select 1. Okay, this is good for now. So you continue, say if it's b2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So if this one, if you select 1, 1. If you select 2, set it to 2. If you select 3, set it to 3. If you select 4, set it to 4. If you select 5, set it to 5. If you select 6, not 6, this 6, select, 5, set it to 5. If you select 6, set it to 6. Select 7, set it to 7. If you select 8, set it to 8. If you select 9, set it to 9. So now I'm getting the button ID. If you select button ID, number 0, what's the error here? It says cell ID equals 0. It doesn't accept it. Yes, because this one is I defined val. Val means this is read only. You cannot update it. I have to define it var, var, because I need to update the value here. Sorry for that. See, well, the difference between var and val. So var read write. So now if he select button 1 from here, button 1 will have an ID bu1. He come here. I just convert it to button. I see if it's 1, give me ID 1. So finally this one will have the ID of the selected button. So let's just make sure we did right by just show you a message about the selected button. I say to asked To us is the way to show message. Dot make this. Then I say I give it this. He take 3 parameter. First of them this. Second is the message. I say ID. Just make sure everything is correct. ID. I sell ID. This is the second parameter, the message that I want to show it. Third parameter will be the for how long I want to show it to us. I say to us dot for long time. If I want to short to us dot long, then I select dot show. This is for showing the message. Like this is to us make text, take 3 parameter. This that means this activity, this class. This is the message that I want to show it. This is for how long, then dot show. Now I have, when I click the message, when I run it and see, every time he have to give me like whenever I select this, hey, you select this one, or you select this one, or you select this one, or you select this one. So yeah, just tracking. So wait for a second and let's see how he will be able to show me what button I selected. Sound interesting for now, and after that we will continue implement our game. But just first make sure until now we have everything correct. And see, I have error here. I have to go to build a clean project, because as you know, this project, the error is coming from previous code, because the code already we bring it from previous work, so you have to clean it. Every time when you bring project and you want to use it, it's better to do clean so you avoid any error. So I think for now the game is good to start it, to get started. If not, we will try to fix it. We will try to fix the problem. So waiting for seconds, and let we see if he was able to get the button for us or not. Let me see. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, got it. Yes, after 3 he got it for me. So where are you? Yes. So if I select this one, you have to show me a message here. ID 1. See, this is the message. If I select this one, you have to show me ID 2. Select this one, you have to show me ID 3. Just make sure from everything correct. 4, 5 should be 6. So I say it long, so it will take time. So this one should give me 7. This one should give me 8. Just make sure everything is correct. It's going to give me 9. Yes, now everything is correct. So let me go to the next step and try to play the game.